bird? It's a hummingbird. It's really small, really fast, and full of surprises.
Hi!
Let's follow our new friend and see all the amazing things it can do. Ready? Let's go! Hi there, little friends. Have you ever seen a tiny bird that's super fast? That's a hummingbird. Let's learn some fun things about these little wonders. Look how fast its wings go. Hummingbirds flap their wings so quickly, it looks like they're buzzing. They can flap their wings 80 times in just 1 second. That's like a super fast dance. Hummingbirds love to drink yummy nectar from flowers. It's like their favorite juice. They need lots of energy to fly fast, so they visit tons of flowers every day. Can you fly backward? Hummingbirds can. They're the only birds that can fly backward, and even upside down. How amazing is that? Look at this tiny nest. Hummingbirds build the smallest nests, almost as tiny as a little cup. And their eggs are the size of jelly beans. Even though they're small, some hummingbirds are super brave travelers. They can fly really far without stopping. It's like going on a big adventure. Hummingbirds are tiny but so special. Next time you see one, remember all the cool things they can do.
Ready to remember some cool stuff about hummingbirds? Let's see how many fun facts you can remember. What do hummingbirds do super fast? They flap their wings really, really fast. What do hummingbirds drink? Sweet juice from flowers called nectar. Can hummingbirds fly backward? Yes, they can. They can even fly upside down. How small is their nest? It's tiny, like a little cup, and their eggs are as small as jelly beans. Are hummingbirds brave travelers? Yes. Hummingbirds are tiny, but they do amazing things. They can fly very far without stopping, like going on a big adventure. Wow. You did an awesome job remembering the fun facts. You're so smart and did great learning about hummingbirds.
Bye for now, little friends.
Thanks for watching, friends. If you had fun learning with us, make sure you click the thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can join us for more songs and adventures. See you next time!